Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of one of India's most popular entry-level credit cards, the SBI SimplyCLICK credit card. If you're someone who shops online frequently, whether it's ordering food, booking movie tickets, or shopping for clothes, you'll want to stick around. This card is often pitched as a go-to option for digital shoppers looking for maximum reward points without spending a fortune on fees. But does it truly deliver in 2025? Is it a smart choice compared to all the new cashback and co-branded cards in the market? Let's break it all down. The SBI SimplyCLICK credit card is designed specifically for people who prefer to shop online. That's its entire unique selling proposition. While other cards may offer broad travel or luxury benefits, SimplyCLICK keeps things simple. It rewards you for doing what most of us already do daily, which is making purchases on e-commerce platforms, ordering food, booking movie or travel tickets, or getting medicines delivered to your doorstep. Introduced by SBI Card, which is one of the most trusted credit card issuers in India, this card caters to the rising number of online-first customers. In today's world where digital shopping is more convenient than ever, having a card that gives you better rewards for those purchases just makes sense. It's also designed to be beginner-friendly. So if you're a first-time credit card user or you're someone looking to add a specialized rewards card to your wallet without the complexity of high annual fees or confusing redemption systems, SimplyCLICK fits that niche really well. Now let us talk about the main features of this card. Accelerated rewards on partner brands. When you shop on SimplyCLICK partner websites like Amazon through the SBI portal, Book My Show, Domino's, Myntra, Apollo 24/7 and lots more, you earn 10 rewards points for every 100 rupees spent. These are some of the most frequently used platforms for urban users, so it's a practical benefit. 5 times rewards on all other online transactions. For any other online shopping outside the partner list, you still earn 5 points per 100 rupees spent. That ensures that even if you're shopping on platforms like Flipkart or Swiggy, you're still earning above average rewards. Welcome gifts. Once you pay the joining fee, you receive an Amazon gift worth 500 rupees. It's instant gratification and basically offsets the joining fee if you are an Amazon user. Annual milestone rewards. You can earn Clear Trip e-vouchers worth 2,000 rupees when your annual online spends reach 1 lakh and another when you reach 2 lakh. This is especially useful for those who travel, as these vouchers can help cut down on flight or hotel expenses. Fee waiver. When you spend 1 lakh in a year using this card, your next year renewal fee of 499 rupees gets completely waived. That means if you're a regular online shopper, this card can be practically free. Fuel surcharge waiver. You get 1% fuel surcharge waiver at petrol pumps across India on transactions between 500 rupees and 3,000 rupees. Global acceptance and contactless technology. The card works at over 24 million outlets globally and comes with contactless technology, making tap and go payments faster and more secure. Flexi Pay option. Is there a big purchase that you're making? No problem. You can convert it into easy EMIs using FlexiPay, which gives you financial breathing room without resorting to costly personal loans. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, there's an annual fee which is one time at 499 rupees. There's an annual renewal fee at 499 from your second year onwards with taxes. And if you spend 1 lakh in a year, the annual fee gets waived or reversed. Interest rates also applies, as well as late payment charges and cash advance fees. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. High rewards for online shopping, affordable fees, and the waiver is achievable for most middle-class consumers. Welcome and milestone vouchers, and global acceptance, and modern features like contactless payment and EMI conversion. How about the cons? No airport lounge access, making it less appealing for frequent flyers. There is no direct cashback option, which may be a deal breaker for those who prefer simplicity. So here's the big question. Is the SBI SimplyCLICK credit card still worth getting in 2025? Yes, if you're a digital native. This card continues to offer fantastic value for online shoppers, especially people who consistently use services like Domino's, Cleartrip, Apollo, Book My Show, or NetMeds. With rising digital spends and the convenience of online shopping, earning 5 to 10 times rewards makes a lot of sense. And with just 1 lakh annual spend, you can easily cancel out the annual fee while earning vouchers worth up to 4,500 rupees in total. But it's not for everyone. As I mentioned, if you want travel perks, airport lounge access, or straightforward cashback on all purchases, this card won't serve you well. So if you're in your 20s or 30s, you shop a lot online, and you want a low maintenance rewards card, SBI SimplyCLICK is one of the best value cards that you can get in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SBI Cashback, Amazon Pay ICICI Credit Card, and HDFC Millennial Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.